It's Wednesday, January 3rd, just following up on MRNA. You can see here it's moving up nicely on this green bar. I just scaled out to set up an no risk trade, bought it here at this lower blue line on the inside bar kind of breakouts, and I just scaled out at 112. So I bought the stock at 110.77, just scaled out at 112 to set up kind of a no risk trade. We'll see if it gets through that first bar high here, which is kind of really the first target, which the actual level is 112.67. So that's kind of where it's headed to start. And what I'm looking for here, as discussed in the previous video, is kind of a follow through on this big green bar from yesterday. So we had the little pause in here last week, big breakout bar. You expect it to continue higher. Context on the weekly chart is to still move higher here to some targets up kind of in the 118 area. As discussed, that's that high up there, maybe 120 area, and I expect follow through on this big green bar. So I was looking at the opening price action this morning after the move down, waiting for kind of a green bar out of the inside, that developed on bar one. Bought it here, scaled out, set up a no risk trade. My break even stop comes all the way down to somewhere near the lows of the day if it fails, but hopefully it breaks out above that bar, continues higher, and then follows through here on the green bar from yesterday and breaks through that and starts working to the 120 area in a strong sector, strong stock, and that's what put it on kind of my watch list for today. So it looks like a good no risk trade now. We'll see if it kind of breaks through. Let's look bar one high and then towards those pre-market highs somewhere up in here and yesterday's high.